Struggling with thinning edges or constant shedding? Tired of hair products that promise results but never deliver? Deserve harnesses powerful plant-based ingredients to revive, restore, and regrow your hair. We blend castor oil, sunflower oil, green leaf extract, apple cider vinegar, and other natural ingredient to hydrate, strengthen, detox, and spark healthy growth naturally. Created by Coach Angela Brown, your personal hair coach. Deserve is more than just a product. It's a complete system with real support. Whether you're experiencing hair loss from alopecia, medication, or protective styles, our system targets the root cause, stimulating growth and sealing in moisture. Less shedding, fuller edges, and real results fast. You've waited long enough. Let's bring your hair back. Beautiful, bold, and better than ever, because this time, you simply deserve it.